Hey everybody, it's me again, guys. So, anyways, uh, one of my coworkers, all right, and trainers, said to me I should do a screwdriver. So I was like, all right, I'll do a screwdriver. And so this is for him. So Jay, my trainer at my new job, this is for you, man. This is for you and my other trainers also that do see my channel there. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And that's pretty much it. Most likely, probably on Sunday, I'm going to be getting my food safety certificate so I can, continue on working there. You guys already know I'm already, great at that. Anyways, here is the Tito's vodka and orange juice, guys. All right, so here we go. Let's do this thing. Here we go. There we go. There's the vodka. Here's the orange juice. If I can get the sucker open. Here we go. There it is. There it is. Good old screwdriver, guys. Good old screwdriver. Let's do this thing, guys. Y'all have a great day. Hell yeah. Ah, yeah, that's some good stuff. Oh yeah. It's been a bit since I've had a good old screwdriver. Plus, I've been drinking beer a little bit, so hey, it's all good. It's all good neighborhood. If I see my one other co-worker, he's probably gonna watch this and go, "Oh man, look at him, man. He's all sunburned. Freaking, he's drinking. He drank beer. He's drinking a screwdriver. I wonder if he's gonna be okay going into work, and then he's gonna see me tomorrow, and he's gonna be like, "Hey, what's going on?" And I'm gonna be like, "Ah, not really. Like, hope you watched my video." "Oh yeah, that's cool." "Yes, it is." Anyways, guys, I'm waiting on maintenance to show up on over here. The fan behind me took a shit, so they're gonna freaking see if they could get a new fan and install it. If they don't come today, then they'll probably just come next week, most likely. But we haven't had electric in the living room here for like the past fucking days, past couple fucking 4 days or so. Fucking like, I don't know, since like Sunday. So yeah. Anyways, here we go again. There it is. I just finished the bitch up. And to you guys, y'all have a great day. And to remember to have mercy and have a nice day. Yeah.